Plant cell structure. Ultra structure of plant cell shows rectangular, hexagonal, or polygonal in structure. Plant cell covered by thick cell wall. It made by cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, suberin, lignin. Like these chemicals are helps in the formation of cell wall. Beneath of the cell wall, thin plasma layer is present. In the cell wall, pore or hole-like structures are present. The pore or hole-like structures are called plasmodesmata. The plasmodesmata mainly helps in exchange of minerals, material, food material between two cells. Beneath of the cell wall, plasma membrane, it made by phospholipids and protein chemicals. It is in semi-permeable structure. Beneath of these plasma membrane, protoplast is present. In that protoplast, one major important part is nucleus. The nucleus containing chromatin, nucleolus, nuclear envelope, and nuclear sap. These all are present in the nucleus. And the nucleus function is it controls the total cell activities. It controls the total cell activities. So nucleus is also called brain of the cell. Nucleus is also called brain of the cell. And around these nucleus, large vacuole is present. The large vacuole act as a central vacuole. Only one vacuole is present in the plant cell. That plant cell belongs to matured condition. So central cell vacuole. The vacuole act as a excretory organ of the cell. It protected by tonoplast. And around these or near these vacuole, sac-like structures are present. The sac-like structures are called chloroplast. The chloroplast pigments or chloroplast sac-like structures are green in color. They act as a production house of the cell. Production house of the cell means by the photosynthesis, the chloroplast particles or chloroplast cell organelles prepared food material, prepared carbohydrate food material. So these chloroplast pigments or chloroplast cell organelle is also called powerhouse of the cell. Near these chloroplast, mitochondria are present. They are look like a rod-shaped structure. Rod-shaped structures called mitochondrion. The mitochondria mainly helps in oxidation of food material. Oxidation of food material. By the respiration, mitochondria produce ATP energy. So the mitochondria are also called powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. And near the nucleus, platelet-like structures are present. The platelet-like structures are called endoplasmic reticulum. Near the nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum is present. Far from the nucleus, smooth endoplasmic reticulums are present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum means on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. So based on the presence of ribosome, that endoplasmic reticulum is also called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum main function is preparation of proteins by protein synthesis. And outside of these rough endoplasmic reticulum, Smooth endoplasmic reticulums are present. They are far from the nucleus. They are helps in the lipid metabolism. They are helps in the lipid metabolism. And in this cytoplasm, again, sac-like or vesicles-like structures are present called Golgi operators. The Golgi operators are also helps in the lipid metabolism. They are also helps in the lipid metabolism. And in the cytoplasm, microfilaments, intermediate filaments, microtubules. These are small, minute particles. They are spread totally cytoplasm. These all parts are called cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton maintain the proper cell structure. Maintain the proper cell structure. And peroxisomes. Peroxisomes also present in the cytoplasm. They are also helps in the lipid metabolism. They are also helps in the lipid metabolism. And during the cell division, centrosomes. During the cell division, centrosomes are appeared. They are also called centrioles. Centrosomes are appeared during the cell division only. So it is the complete ultra structure of plant cell.